Bitches! Oh! How's it going?
We're back.
We're back. Oh, snap on fucking Wednesday.
Living, fighting, obsessing. Just as long as I can share it all with you. Yesterday, today, tomorrow, gonna bring.
It's been a few weeks since we've seen this truck, Manny.
Yeah. Too long. Sorry, fellas.
It's all right. I'm sure it'll be worth the wait.
And she's clean, new. Oh. Getting to reorganize.
Yeah. Manny, that's what you need. It's green too.
Yeah, it's good.
I moved the flannel shirt because I know somebody wanted to see what was behind it.
Oh yeah. Well, I'm gonna. I don't know. Should I steal one? Since I saw Dixon put that there, it's the white unicorn of their shirts. I thought that was kind of cool. I'm like, yeah, you know what? Maybe I'll grab one. Oh yeah. What is behind it? That's pretty much it right there. Oh, it's been a while. What's new on the truck, Tyler? There you go, Manny. That's what you need. That's what you need.
Do you have any of our little portable lights that use the 14.4 micro lithium batteries?
I do. These are what's breaking the internet right now.
The magnet
Yeah.
bases?
Yeah. You twist them, right? From what I can see. I haven't seen anyone actually use one yet, so.
I can go get a light.
Manny.
Or you could use it for
You can use
any of them.
anything, right? I've seen people with their 3/8 ratchets
Yeah.
and stuff on
Yeah.
it. They're strong.
Hey man, you grab me one of those cordless tools back there where the impact gun, doesn't matter, screw gun, ratchet, anyone.
Yeah. That's kind of how I thought it worked.
Oh.
That's awesome. Now you need 14.4 tools. So you can buy that thing.
Right? Those are new. Those are pretty cool.
That is cool. I like it.
Are you gonna get that thing, Manny? That thing, the caliper.
Semi-deep sockets,
That
metric
is
or standard. Comes with a free ratchet and the three row socket holder.
Nice.
Better have it.
Of course, you're familiar with the extended ratchet.
Yep, I'm loving mine.
You know all about that one.
Thing's a monster.
Use it every day.
Yep. I have been. What's going on, Jesse? Buying some tools today?
Yeah. We'll find some stuff.
Stuff.
Yeah. Toys. Manny already grabbed one of them.
What, that one?
You have more than you have more than you
And this motherfucker.
Piston pushers for calipers.
Just the tight access one, which is no, to the left and towards you. The black. This one. Yeah, there you go.
Oh. Those work on the rear calipers, I'll tell you that much.
Oh yeah. Do you have more of these ones though?
No.
Little jack.
You little jack off.
New little clip light from Coast.
I looked into that.
Clip it on anything you want.
Oh, that's cool.
Nice.
Take a look at it. Wow. That's not bad. You Guess you could like clip that onto your hat or something. Even
Yeah,
if
because
you're-
you can pivot this, right? So
Yeah.
you could clip it onto your hat and point
Yeah.
it.
That's pretty cool. And of course, it's double play right now, right?
Yep. The new contest, double play. There's a draw every month. The first 2 months, this is actual size. The Traxxas, I think it's
That's
the
huge.
X-Max RC truck. Just put a snap-on truck body on it.
Yeah.
So I got 2 of those to raffle off, and then there's a $5,000 shopping spree and a $50,000 tool package as the grand prize.
Going for the grand prize, boys.
Traxxas?
Yeah, man.
The truck is
I got the
Traxxas.
Grave Digger.
Do you?
Yeah.
Which one? Like a Slash or an X-Max or T-Max?
The Rampage or whatever it's called. It's the same body style as like that main truck one that they have.
I don't know. They have multiple different sizes, so
Oh, it's one.
like, is it that big?
It's 1/16th, like the main scale. No, it's not that big.
That thing's huge. You don't notice how big it is in the pictures. I've seen them
No,
all over.
Yeah,
That thing's massive.
Yep.
that's like 1/8 scale or something, right?
Yeah. Well, yeah, it must be somewhere around 1/8, I would think, right?
Expensive code readers.
It's not bad. How much are those things?
I also took in on trade last week an Ethos Plus, which is the same one that the scan your shop has.
Yep. That's cool.
Yeah, there's 2 different ones.
You got that little tiny
know.
one?
This one does ABS.
Oh, nice.
That's the difference in airbag. ABS and airbag. This one does not.
That's cool.
But you go from $100 to 200 and something, right?
That's obviously quartered, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Cool.
I don't know, man.
What do you need?
Can't think of anything right
Use that at Dodge.
You need ratchet wrenches.
now. I do have those. Not
Oh yeah, Manny. You need that at Dodge, don't you?
what?
Air hammer.
Yeah, you're gonna need that.
I guess we need to tell people.
When you're doing UJs and BJs.
My buddy Manny's leaving. When's your last day?
Friday.
Friday.
Boom.
Yeah.
Last day. Whenever you get out of here.
We're losing a good apprentice. And an even better technician.
We'll all boo, but we'll wish you well in the end.
Yeah.
Liked you anyways.
Jesse, right for the throat.
Yeah.
Did you get those wrenches in?
It is your last snap on Wednesday. Look at that. Manny, that's what you need. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god. Looks sexy in green too, eh? Does it come with those bits too?
Yep. That is
These bits are like fucking like.
another promotion right now. You buy the air hammer and you get all the bits for free.
That's awesome.
And as you look around, there's multiple packages, right? It's all part of the double play
okay.
program.
Okay.
So that's a BOGO. The sockets are a BOGO, metric or standard.
Yep.
Metric Allen keys, get the ratchet for free.
I know.
And every week I'm getting a new promo.
Cool.
Sockets are the first one, the air hammer's the second one. I put up
What's the socket
I
one?
put a list up there, so I'm going to post a new card every week so you can see what's actually coming the next week.
Right on.
The ones on the left are hand tools, the ones on the right are power tools.
Cool. So I see right there on the top there. Look, I'm zooming into my sticker. And Manny's sexy eyes. Right on.
To answer your
Fuck you,
question,
Manny.
Manny, yes, I have wrenches. Well, what are you going to do with your account?
All right, let's buy some shit. Well, that was our snap on Wednesday on the truck, and you guys heard the news that this jackass is leaving.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Sorry, man.
yeah. I'm disappointed. Someone is getting a really good apprentice, and he's going to be an awesome mechanic. So everybody wish Manny well in the comment section below. You can also message him on Facebook.
Yeah.
In the Snap-on Collectors page, he's on there.
I'm on there.
Yeah. What did you get today?
Manny
yeah.
Samra.
What is it? Manny bitch. Manny the bitch. Manny Samra is what it is.
Fuck, test light.
You got a test light. Hey, where's the old one?
Oh yeah, fuck. I got that too.
So you got the test light that I got with the non-coiled cord, which is what I recommended him to do. The caliper depressor or fucking wind back tool, caliper press, I guess it's called. And let's fucking throw this thing out.
See if any other apprentice needs it, starting apprentice, I'll mail it to them.
Oh, there you go. So hit Manny up in the comment section. He'll email you back.
It's just a 12-volt bulb, simple test light, quick and easy.
That's a good gesture, Manny.
So I'll mail this guy to you guys.
Yeah. Okay. Well, you guys heard
we'll
that.
not throw that out.
What else did you get?
Uh,
These things I'm stoked for because I ordered my set too.
so I got a set of wrenches. And
Man,
this
these
was a-
things are fucking badass.
And they were in the flyer.
Yeah, they were in last month's flyer for $374 Canadian, I think they were. $374 Canadian. They're the new dual 80 heads on them. Ratcheting wrenches, 19 mil long. Goes down to what, 11?
10.
10? Did you get a 10 in there?
Yeah, I got 10.
Oh, so we took the 11 out.
No, 11's another kit.
Okay.
So it's 10, 13, 15, 17, 19.
That's right. That's going to be a good kit
So,
for Chrysler.
yeah.
You're going to be working on trucks. You're going to be doing diesel oil changes, getting your hands all black.
That's all right. You can bring your truck down there. Warranty.
I don't trust you. Yeah, actually, that's a good idea because I'm almost up on my warranty.
Yeah.
You'll be able to help me out. We're going to fuck some shit up. Well, Manny. Oh, yeah, what did I get? This little motherfucker. This thing seemed to have broke the collector's site. They're everywhere now. Have you seen this yet?
No.
So you put your 14.4 battery in it. Let's see what we can put on this thing. Let's just start. Let's just go big or go home. Nope.
Oh, too big.
No, it won't do it. It will do. No, it'll do the small one.
Oh, I forgot to get the power door now.
Almost the power drawer. It's coming. It's coming. Oh, fuck me.
Wrong one. There you go.
It'll hold on there. I think they're more meant for the lights, which is great because I have one. Perfect.
Done.
Nice. That'll be good when I actually install my power drawer.
Yeah.
Just go like this. See what I'm doing? Awesome. So that's cool. The part number for that is CLT-MAG-boot. You guys can see that in the camera. And we got the new
New flyer.
the new flyer. I will be doing a review on that probably in the next day or two.
And that's got Manny written all over it.
Yeah. No, it's the one on the inside. That's not the Epic, is it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's not the Epic. It's that one right there.
Page 2.
68 inch, just like this. And let's see what else we got. a whole bunch of double plays back, baby. We're gonna be, well, I'm gonna spend the next 10 minutes entering these for the end of the day. So that's pretty cool.
Nice.
I gotta say, I'm loving this thing. And it's been my best friend for the last week, 2 weeks. So look forward to a review on that one. I'm gonna be doing that one fairly soon. So I think that's pretty much all we got for you today. This is Manny's last Snap on Wednesday. Maybe he'll send in some clips now and then.
Yeah, maybe.
That'd be fun.
Perhaps.
Perhaps.
I'll send you one next week just to show you guys the shop and everything.
There you go. Yeah, that's cool. Let's do that. Well, I guess that's it for this week, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's Snap on Wednesday video. And, oh, you know what else I got? Hold on a second. We got under cab lighting. Simple installation. I got it from, well, I found it in a used car, actually. It was in a used truck. And it plugs into 12-volt accessory, so I kind of have it on an old jump starter. But it seems to work for now. At some point, I want to get like the 12-volt ones, like the actual LED strip that goes under there. These ones are just like little strips that are about that long. Doesn't light it up so much, but if it was brighter, it'd look nice. So
Still looks good.
yeah, it doesn't look bad. It's the blingiest toolbox in the shop.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, that is it for this Wednesday. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe, and
Take care, guys. Peace out.
see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.
All that shine